We tried that bypassing the Affordable Care Act. States were given the option to expand Medicaid and receive extra federal premium number 666 Hunter Supernatural Rales Shirt. Comfortable middle-class individual or family is eligible for Medicaid, and in other states you have to have children and live in poverty before they will give you coverage. I say this as a Medicaid caseworker. The policy is mind-blowing. Premium number 666 Hunter Supernatural Rales Shirt. Tank top, V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Tank top, V-neck. And before anyone says that is not the case, I personally know people whose deductible was that high. The cost of the premium number 666 Hunter Supernatural Rales Shirt consumers is high because the provision requiring that everyone have insurance was neutered by Supreme Court Congress. Can't remember which. The affordability of the ACA was predicated on young healthy people into the system. Now that they don't have to, everyone who does pay in has to pay more to cover the slack. Official premium number 666 Hunter Supernatural Rales Sweatshirt. Hoodie, sweatshirt. Which one should I go to? I have to drive 40 minutes to a lab because it's in network, or else I get gouged for basic tests. We are not hypochondriacs abusing the system. Hate how we in the US have no idea what the out-of-pocket cost is going to premium number 666 Hunter Supernatural Rales Shirt be going in. Interestingly enough, my stepdad is Swedish in the healthcare. Other products.